Have you ever wondered what really happens when we die? Not from a religious perspective, not from myths or stories, but purely from science. Today, let's take a journey into the human body and see step by step how life comes to an end. When a human being dies, the process does not happen all at once. It begins slowly, step by step, as the body shuts down. The very first thing that usually happens is the heart stops beating. Without the pumping of the heart, blood no longer circulates through the body. When blood flow stops, oxygen can no longer reach our organs and tissues. The brain, which depends heavily on oxygen, is the first organ to be affected. Within just a few seconds of the heart stopping, brain cells begin to die. Consciousness fades away, and we lose awareness of the world around us. Scientists say that in these moments, some people may experience flashes of light, sounds, or even memories. This is what we call a near-death experience. But medically, the brain is shutting down. After about 5 to 10 minutes without oxygen, the brain becomes irreversibly damaged. This is the moment most doctors officially declare death. However, death is not a single event, it is a process. Other parts of the body continue to live for a short while even after the heart and brain have stopped. For example, our skin cells and hair follicles remain alive for several hours. Some muscles can still twitch and contract due to electrical activity. This is why, in rare cases, small movements can be seen in a body after death. Inside, the digestive system continues working for a short time, with bacteria still active. As time passes, the body begins to cool down. This is known as algor mortis, or the death chill. Within the first 24 hours, the body temperature drops to match the surroundings. Next comes rigor mortis, the stiffening of muscles, which usually begins within 2 to 6 hours. This stiffness happens because the chemical energy that keeps muscles relaxed is no longer being produced. Meanwhile, blood begins to settle at the lowest parts of the body due to gravity. This creates purplish-red patches on the skin, a stage called livor mortis. After about a day or two, decomposition truly begins. The bacteria inside our gut start breaking down tissues. Gases are released and the body gradually changes in appearance. Over the following weeks and months, soft tissues break down further. Eventually, only bones, teeth, and hair remain. Scientifically, death is not just an end, it is also a transformation. The body returns to the earth, becoming part of the natural cycle of life. Every element inside us, carbon, oxygen, nitrogen, goes back into the environment. In this way, our death feeds new life. From a purely scientific point of view, there is no evidence that consciousness survives after the brain dies. Death is the end of our biological existence, but in another sense, we never truly disappear. We live on through the matter of our body, which becomes part of trees, soil, air, and even other living beings. So the next time you look at the world around you, plants, animals, even the air you breathe, remember this. Every single thing is made from what once lived before. Death is not just an ending, it is nature's way of continuing the story. What do you think? Is death the absolute end, or is there something beyond what science can explain? Share your thoughts in the comments, and let's talk about this mystery together.